In this case, I'm going to show you the synergy between CAPSULaser and Trifocal Toric IOL. Our IOL is by AST Trifocal Toric IOL with the spherical power 20 and cylinder power 1.5. As we can see, the marking of the cornea at 0 and 180 degrees. Here is the right eye. The axis of placement is 8 degrees and the incision location is at 8 degree. I started with two paracentesis, clear corneal incision 1.4, then applying HPMC over the cornea. Here is the 0.4 Triban blue, the capsule blue, which used to stain the anterior capsule using the CAPSULaser technology. As we can see, staining the anterior capsule under the air bubble, then wash out the capsule blue. As we can see now, beautiful homogeneous staining of the anterior capsule with very clear of the central Triban landmark. As we can see, here is the backfill technique of dispersive OVD injection. Look at the center of the anterior capsule where the central Triban landmark is very clear, and here is the CAPSULaser circle concentric with the central Triban landmark. With 0.3 seconds we can obtain a well-centered, well-sized 5.3 millimeter capsular rhexis. Look at the edge of the capsular rhexis, it's very clear. Then doing the hydro dissection with gentle hydro delineation, as we can see, followed with visco dissection, and rotate the nucleus to be sure it's free from the capsular bag. Here is rotation of the nucleus. Now chopping this dense nucleus. Actually, the vision of this patient, it was counting finger about 3 millimeter, and now we can see the result of using this technology in enhancing the visual acuity of this patient. Here is the vertical chopper holding the nucleus, chop it into halves, then complete chopping each half to small piece. As we can see, then emulsify each piece alone. Here rotate and hold and chop. As we can see, this is a type of cataract is very dense. Now I chop all the nucleus into smaller pieces, then emulsify each piece alone until complete emulsification of this dense nucleus, as we will see. Hold each small piece and emulsify at the level of the opening of the anterior capsule. Here's the last pieces. Then using the bimanual irrigation aspiration to clear and wash out the cortex, as we can see now, with gentle polishing of the anterior capsule as it's clear, and also polishing of the anterior capsular rim. As we can see, this is edge of the capsular rhexis is tear resistant and it's flexible, and here is injection of the coercive OVD to forming the capsular bag and implanting the AST Astigmatism Trifocal Toric IOL inside the capsular bag, followed with wash out the viscoelastic from the antechamber and also behind the IOL, which is crucial in Toric IOLs. Then adjusting the axis of the IOL to be alignment with the axis on the cornea. As we can see, the dots of the IOL. Look at the beautiful 360 degrees overlapping of the rhexis with the IOL, which help in preventing tilt or centration and obtaining a good visual outcome. As we can see, the patient post-op with Vision 2025 one day post-op. And thank you for watching.